Here's a very quick tutorial about how to access the online textbook. When you go into my 7th grade Texas history course, you will simply click on these 4 dots up here. There are these 4 squares, this group of 4 squares. When you click on it, you will click on the McGraw-Hill, the red icon right here. Okay, click on that. It'll take you to a Launch App Center. So you just launch the app and it will bring up the main page for the textbooks, okay? So yours is the student edition. Yours will show a couple of options, but you will simply choose Texas History Student Edition. Click on that, right? So here's the main page of the Student Edition textbook. You can toggle through the chapters right here. Bring up the whole list of chapters. You can click Chapter 8, the Mexican National Era, okay, if that's where you need to go. And then you can toggle through the chapters just by clicking here. Here's Lesson 1, 2, and 3. That's what this chapter offers. I'm going to go ahead and go in here so you can take a look at how these operate. This is going to take me straight to the chapter opener, which is actually it's under Lesson 1. You can go to a different chapter if you need to, just by clicking the toolbar right here. Okay, we'll choose Chapter 10 in this case. This is the chapter opener, place and time, lesson number 1. Okay, lesson number 1 does not just have one page. Lesson number 1 has multiple pages, so you can toggle through the multiple pages down here. Okay, and then you move on to lesson number 2. And again, you can toggle through the pages at the bottom. All right. Hopefully this is helpful, and if you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to ask.